Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Let me ask you this. Is your downloads folder always messy? Old installers, random PDFs, files you downloaded once and forgot about, they just keep piling up. Well, what if Windows could clean up your downloads folder automatically for you? Yes, it can, and I'll show you how in just a moment. All right, let's get into it. Go ahead and open your settings. Just click the Start menu and select Settings. Once you're in, head over to System, and then click on Storage. Take it slow. This is where Windows manages all your storage cleanup. Now, look for a feature called Storage Sense. This tool allows Windows to automatically remove unnecessary files, including old items in your Downloads folder. If Storage Sense is turned off, go ahead and turn it on. Then click on Storage Sense again to open its full settings. Scroll down gently and look for the option related to the Downloads folder. This is where you tell Windows how long files should stay in your Downloads folder before they're automatically deleted. You'll see several options here. If you choose Never, Windows will never touch your Downloads folder. Selecting 1 day removes files very quickly, useful if you only download temporary files. 14 days gives you a short window. 30 days is a safe and balanced option. And 60 days keeps downloaded files around much longer before cleanup happens. For me, I like to keep my Downloads folder clean, but still have enough time to recover files if needed, so I'll leave mine at 30 days. Once you choose what works best for you, that's it. There's no Save button. Windows applies the setting automatically. From now on, your Downloads folder will clean itself up regularly, keeping your system organized and freeing up space without you lifting a finger. Simple, smart, and incredibly useful. Thanks for watching this quick Windows 11 tip on Zimist Coded. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe for more easy tutorials and tech tips. I'll see you in the next one.